Hey guys, today on Matt's World DIY, I'm doing a wall mural project. So my walls in my office are really kind of drab and I want to take it from this to this. This is an awesome chinoiserie pattern wall mural that I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But before I begin, the first thing we have to do is clear the room. So started with the rug. My dog Tattoo is helping me out. He's such a big help. And this is one of the biggest chores, is just clearing the space. But after I did that, I want to make sure that the floors are clean and the walls are clean also, so that the wallpaper sticks to the wall. It's just a peel and stick. And also dealing with any kind of face plates, whether I have to remove them or keep them. These are the tools you'll need. And this is how the package came. It was very well packed, and you get a inspection card, and the mural is rolled up nice and tightly on one big roll. I was curious, is it all on one roll and I have to separate it, or are they in the separate panels? Well, as I opened it up and I took a look at the first pattern, this was kind of cool because I could see the quality of the ink print, and it's very, very good. And as I am unrolling it, I found out, yes, it's all one big roll. I have to separate it. So I'm just cutting it with a straight edge, and it's going very, very well. Now, as I'm looking, I'm like, now how many panels are there and how much space do I need? Oh no. So I had to lose the first panel because there's not enough room to get the whole thing on there. I'm going to have a little trick with that wing though. So this is a peel and stick, and thank goodness I had the help of a friend of mine, friend and neighbor. She's an amazing artist and a super big help. She was like, this is not a one-person job. I was like, yeah, I could do it. And she goes, no, it's a two-person job. And she was right. And of course, Tattoo, he's a little bit of a help as well. And that's me just trimming down the tops of each one of them to make sure it's everything lines up. But that first panel was really hard. It was kind of difficult because, you know, walls are not square, that type of thing. And but we got it done. And the difficult part is lining everything up, getting the wallpaper on without wrinkles and that type of thing. Even though my walls have texture, it's really not that noticeable, and it's okay. So this last panel that we're putting up was really one of the harder ones as well, the first and the last. The two things that were challenging were lining up that bird and working around that little corner that's kind of an angle. But it all worked out and smoothed out pretty well. And here I am dealing with one of the face plates that I left on the wall. All I did was cut around it, smooth the paper out, and then cut the hole for the cable that goes in there. And this is me showing how to cut the bottom edge. Really works out pretty well with that squeegee. And here is the final product. It looks really, really good. Some people have even thought it was a hand-painted mural. I'm impressed. It really takes my office from a drab space to a place of zen. So if you like this content, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and offer me a comment. Tell me what you think. I appreciate whatever input you've got. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.